Welcome to Vivid Brands. Today we are dealing with class 11 straight lines 3A exercise Roman number 2 questions. Find the slopes of straight lines passing through the following points. Let us take minus 3, 8 is one point and 10, 5 is another point. So we know that how to find the slope. Slope is nothing but the slope formula m is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. That is difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. So y1 here minus 3. That means this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and y2. Sorry, y1. No? Y1 is 8. 8 minus y2 is 5 by x1 is minus 3 and x2 is 10. So 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by minus 13. That is minus 3 by 13. This is our slope of the given line, given points. Next, Roman number 2, second question. In Roman number 2, second question, that is 3, 4 and 7, minus 6 in the same way. So slope is equal to, m is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Same formula I am using. So y1 is 4 minus y2 is 6 by x1 is 3 minus x2 is 7. So this is 6 plus 4, 10 by 10 minus 3 minus 4. So 2 times, 2 5 times. So how much will get? Minus 5 upon 2. Next, look at the next question. The next question is 8, 1 minus 1, 7. 8, 1. So 8, 1. M is equal to, this is second and this is third. y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. That is y1 is 1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. That is minus 6 by minus 9. 3 2 times, 3 times. So minus by minus becomes plus. That is 2 by 3. Next, fourth bit. P, Q, Q, minus P and PQ not equal to 0. Okay. M is equal to the same formula y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. That is y1 is here q minus y2 is minus p by x1 is minus p and x2 is minus p. Okay, so q plus p by minus p plus p, this becomes 0, right? So p plus q by 0. Any number by 0 is not defined, right? It's not defined. Next, we go to the next question. Let us move to the next question. Come on, look at the question. So, find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through 2, 5 and x, 3. So here they give the find the value of x, slope of the line. You have to find the slope of the line passing through. So this line is passing through these 2 points and whose slope is 2. Okay. So this line is making with x-axis. Okay. And that slope will be 2. Okay. Now, how do you find this value? X value we have to find. Let us take x2, 5 is one point, okay, and x, 3 is another point, okay. So can we find the slope? What is the slope? Slope of line joining points, these two. Okay. Then slope is equal to m is equal to y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. Because it is given according to the question, it is given as slope as 2. So 2 by 2 minus x is equal to 2, and 2 is equal to 4 minus 2x. Just cross multiply it so that you are getting 2 minus 4 which is equal to minus 2x. So minus 2x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. So they asked to find the value of x. So x is 1. Next, look at the next question. Find the value of y. Find the value of y if the line joining the points is parallel to the line joining the points. So there are two lines. The line joining the points 3, y and 2, 7. Okay. And this line is parallel to this line. What is the other line which is passing through the 2 points? Those are minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. Okay. When the two lines are parallel, we can say that their slopes are equal. Okay. If m1 and m2 are equal, then we can say that the two lines are parallel. By using that concept, we have to solve this. Okay. Now, let us take a of 3, y, b of b 2, 7, c minus 1, 4, and d 0, 6. Okay, let us take the points like this. So can we find the slope of AB? Slope of AB. Let us find that first. So what is the slope of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2, difference of y coordinates. You can take y1 minus y2 or y2 minus y1. Both are same. Okay. Yeah, y2. So here I started with y2, no? So that I am taking 7 y2 minus y1. y1 is y by x2 minus x1. So 7 minus y by minus 1. This is the slope of AB. And similarly, you find slope of CD. What is slope of CD? The same thing. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2. Here y2 is 6 minus 4 by y1. y2 is 6, 6 minus 4, x2. x2 is 0, 0 minus of minus 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. So slope of AB is equal to slope of CD, right? Why? Because the two lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. Okay. By using this concept, we have to move forward. That is 7 minus y by minus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay. So 7 minus y is equal to, this is equal to minus 2. Then minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 7. So minus y is equal to minus 9, which implies y is equal to 9. Okay. This is, so what is the concept we used here? Because here, this is the key word in the question. Parallel. Okay. Whenever they give parallel, then you go for the slopes are equal. Okay. When the lines are perpendicular, so they may be perpendicular also, no? These two lines, AB and CD. If these two lines are perpendicular, you can say that the product of slopes is minus 1. The product of slopes is minus 1. Like that you can take. When the condition is perpendicularity. Okay, clear? Let us move to the next question. Come on. Look at the fourth question now. Yeah. Find the slopes of the lines parallel and perpendicular, and passing through, and the line passing through 6, 3, passing through 6, 3, sorry, 6, 3. The 2 points are 6, 3, 6, 3 and minus 4, 5. Okay. Consider the points as A of 6, 3 and B as minus 4, 5. Okay. Now, given that here the first condition is parallel and the second condition is perpendicular. When the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. You observe here. One thing you can observe. Parallel means this is the symbol for parallel. No doubt parallel is appearing. Suppose if you see, if you rotate this parallel, in clockwise direction, then it becomes equal, right? Equal to sign. So slopes are equal. That's why parallel slopes are equal. This is the mnemonic. You can remember easily. Okay. And then other one, if the slopes are perpendicular, if the slopes are, their product is minus 1, no? Minus 1, then the slopes are perpendicular. You observe. This is how it looks like. Suppose if you join this one, it becomes perpendicular. Yes? Yes, perfect. So, perpendicular means minus 1. If you join this one, minus 1, how you are writing like this? So, if you join this one, then it becomes like this. Okay? So, you can remember in this way, like slopes are parallel and perpendicular in easy way, like this. So, let us consider the first case, slopes are parallel. Slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is here y2 or y1 minus y2. You can take y1 minus, let me write the formula first. Slope of AB is y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Okay. So y1 is 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 by x1 is 6, 6 minus of minus 4. Okay. So minus 2 by 10, that is 2 1 time, 2 5 times, that is minus 1 by 5. This is our slope. Okay. And slope of the line parallel to AB, right? This is slope of line parallel to AB. That is minus 1 upon 5. Okay. Next, slope of line perpendicular to, no? Slope of line perpendicular, not parallel, perpendicular to AB. That is, the product of slopes is minus 1, I said, no? Product of slopes is minus 1. So here we got one slope, one line slope, right? We got one line slope. That is, so one slope is minus 1 upon 5 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So we can get the other slope very easily, right? Because the two lines are perpendicular. Okay. Minus 1 by 5 into m2 is equal to minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 by 5 means it becomes into minus 5. So it becomes positive 5. Yes. Positive 5. So when the slope of a line, perpendicular to AB, perpendicular to AB, then the slopes of the two lines, the slope will be plus 5, and when they are parallel, it is minus 1 by 5. Okay, is it clear? So you remember this mnemonic. Parallel means if you rotate it, it becomes, if you clockwise you rotate it, it becomes equal to sign. And when you observe that minus 1, this is perpendicular. So the product of slopes is minus 1. Got it? Let us move to our next question. That is fifth question. Come on, look at the fifth question. Find the equations of straight line which make the following. That is, lines which make the following angles with the positive x-axis in the positive direction and which passes through the points given below. Here 2 points are given. So it is passing through those 2 points, right? What are those 2 points? Pi by 4, comma 0, 0. Pi by 4 is a slope, right? Because it is a slope, m is equal to tan theta is pi by 4. Okay, that is tan theta. That is tan 45. Tan 45. Pi by 4 means 45. So tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, and then now they asked to write the equation. Do you know point slope form? Point slope form of equation. What is the point slope form? Point slope form is, that is y minus y1 is equal to m times x into m times x minus x1. Okay. Yes. Y here, this is x1 and this is y1. Okay. So y minus y1 is 0 and m is 1, x minus 0. Okay. So y is equal to x because it is passing through the horizon, which is having a slope pi by 4, right? So pi becomes x. Okay. Next, look at the second bit. The second bit says pi by 3 and 1 by 2. So tan, can we take, that is tan theta? Tan theta, that is slope is m. M is how much? Pi by 3 tan pi by 3, that is tan 60. Okay. Tan 60 is root 3. And then point is given. What is the point? 1 comma 2. That is x1 comma y1. So what is the point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is how much here? Y1 is 2, which is equal to m is root 3 times x minus x1. X1 is 1. So y minus 2 is equal to root 3x minus root 3. So y minus root 3x is equal to minus root 3 plus 2. Okay. So can we change this sign? So just I'm multiplying the whole equation with negative sign. So root 3x minus y is equal to minus 2 plus root 3. Yes. So what do you get? Root 3x. So x root 3x. What we are getting? Root 3x minus y. Root 3x minus y. So this is plus 2 minus root 3. You can keep this as whole in bracket, which is equal to 0. So this is our equation, which is whose slope is pi by 3 and whose slope is pi by 3 and point is 1 comma 2. Okay. Yes. Let us move to the next question. 135 and 3 comma minus 2 comma. Let us observe this. 135. 135. For 135, tan 135 we have to calculate, right? So what is tan 135? So can we write this as tan 180, 180, 180 minus 45? 180 minus 45, that is 135. That is tan of 180 minus theta. Tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So minus 1. Okay. So what they asked in the question, the equation passing through the equation passing through what? Passing through 3 comma minus 2 is the point. Okay. So what do you write now? Slope equation form, sorry, point slope form of the equation y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Okay. Now what do we get? Y minus y1 is minus 2, which is equal to m is minus 1, x minus x1 is 3. So y plus 2 is equal to minus x plus 3. So y plus x is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Let us move to the next question. 150 and minus 2 comma minus 1. 150. 150 is the slope and point is slope and point both are given. Whenever you see slope and point, you go for point slope form. What is that point slope form? Point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Okay. Yes. So slope here is m tan theta, right? So let us find first tan theta is equal to, that is tan 150. What is tan 150? So how do we write tan 150? Tan 150 can be written as tan 180 minus 30, right? Tan 180 minus 30. So 180 minus 30 minus tan 30, right? Minus tan 30, that is minus 1 upon root 3. Okay? Minus 1 upon root 3. So equation passing through passing through what? Passing through minus 2 comma minus 1 with slope minus 1 upon root 3. Then you in this formula you substitute y minus, what is y1? y1 is minus 1, which is equal to slope is minus 1 upon root 3 times x1 is minus 2. Okay, x1 is minus 2. Then what do you get? So minus 1 upon root 3, this is y plus 1 times x plus 2. Then what do you get? So here we are getting y plus 1 is equal to minus, so can we take with root 3 cross multiplying? So if you cross multiply, you will get minus x minus 2. So root 3y, you send this minus x2 plus x, which is equal to minus 2 minus root 3. Okay. I am sending root 3 plus root 3 to this side. So what do you get now? So root 3y plus x is equal to, or plus I am doing. And I'm sending the total thing minus 2 and minus root 3 to this side. So 2 plus root 3, which is equal to 0. This is our final equation whose slope is 150 and which is passing through minus 2 and minus 1. Understood? Yes. Very, very good. Let us move to the next question. That is sixth question. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through through the origin and making equal angles with coordinate axis. Making equal angles with coordinate axis. Okay, let us take coordinate axis. So this is, you can take this as y dash. Okay, and this is x dash. So those are passing through horizon, right? So you can mark this as a dash or b dash, like that. Hmm? A dash, and this is b dash. These are the two straight lines which are passing through horizon, right? Passing through horizon, and what they said, equations of straight lines passing through horizon and making equal angles. So those are making equal angles means you observe. So equal angles means, see here, this is 45, one angle, and the other one is this. Okay, a dash, you observe a dash, makes an angle 45 degrees, 45 degrees with the with positive axis, right? With positive x-axis, right? With positive x-axis. And so whenever it makes positive x-axis means, what do you say? That is m is equal to tan 45, right? This is equal to 1. And a dash is passing through which point? A dash passing through horizon, right? Passing through horizon. 0, 0. Then what happens? So equation, how do we find the equation? Equation of a dash is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That is y minus y1. Y1 is 0 and m is 1 and x minus 0. Okay. So y is equal to x or x minus y is equal to 0. This is our equation which is passing through horizon and which makes an angle, which makes an equal angle with both the axes, right? So this is 45 and this a dash is making 45 degrees with x axis and 45 degrees with y axis. Yes or no? Yes. And next, BB dash you take. Other one. Let us take the other one. So in this case, BB dash is making an angle with positive x-axis 135, right? So here 135, right? 135 degrees, which is making an angle 135 degrees with x-axis. So M is equal to, now we have to find what is that? M is equal to tan 135. What is tan 135? Tan 180 minus 45, right? So this becomes minus tan 45, right? That is minus 1, okay? So slope is here only the change in the slope, but both are passing through same origin, okay? Correct. So I'm taking the same origin because they both are passing through same origin, only the slope is different. Slope here is minus 1. So y is equal to minus x you will get. So then what happens? What do we get? Sorry, in previous case, y is equal to minus x. Sorry, in previous case we got plus x. No, 1 minute. Y minus 0 is equal to x minus 0, right? Y is equal to x. Sorry, y is equal to minus x. That is x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, in the previous case. Now in this case, so y is equal to minus x. Then what do you get? So here x plus y is equal to 0. The same thing I wrote, I think. X minus y is equal to 0 only I have written, right? Okay, no problem. So m is minus 1 here, right? M is minus 1. Slope is minus 1. So y is equal to minus x. X plus y is equal to 0. Okay, got it? Yes. Let us move to the next question. The angle made by a straight line with the positive x-axis in positive direction and the y-intercept cut off by it are given below. Find the equation of the straight line. Yeah, come on, let us look at the question 60 degrees and 3, right? So 60 degrees and 3. We have the equation of a line with y-intercept and slope, right? This is this is slope and y-intercept. So m is equal to tan theta, right? So m is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3, right? And slope you know, and also y-intercept you know. So if you know y-intercept, then y-intercept is nothing but c. So what is the form of slope? Slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to, can I write slope as root 3? Root 3x plus c. Intercept is 3, right? So y is equal to root 3x plus root 3. Can I send this to this side? Minus root 3x minus 3 which is equal to 0. So root 3x minus y plus 3 which is equal to 0. So root 3x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is our equation. So what you remember here? You have to remember this slope intercept form. Here intercept means The intercept, y-intercept, cut off it are given below. That means which touches the y-axis. Okay, that means we have an that is y-intercept. Here y-intercept C and slope is n. Okay, so it is touching. So because we know intercept and slope form, that is y is equal to mx plus c, just a substitution. Okay. So next 45 degrees, comma minus 2. Yes, come on. Let us take this. 45 degrees minus 2 means what do you get? Tan 45 is equal to 1, right? So slope is 1. And then y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to m is slope is 1 and into x plus c is minus 2. So y is equal to x minus 2. That is y minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line. Okay. At last we have to keep the equation like, what do you say? Or you can write this as, you can write this because x generally we won't put as negative. X minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. You put like this. Then it looks pretty. Okay. Yes. 45 and minus 2. It is done. Okay. Let us move to the next one. Tan inverse 2 by 3. Tan inverse 2 by 3 comma 3. Okay. So here theta is directly given as tan inverse 2 by 3. So we have to calculate theta, right? So tan theta also, because if you take tan on both sides, so tan theta becomes, so tan inverse means, the tan inverse 2 by 3 means only 2 by 3 will get, right? And then C as y-intercept as 3 given, okay? So y is equal to, slope is how much? Tan theta, that is 2 upon 3 with into x plus c, 3, okay? Just you take LCM and cross multiply it. So 3y, 2x plus 9, right? So can you send 3y to that side? So this is equal to our equation. 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Next. Go to the next question. Let us move to the next question. Okay. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel, Vivid Brains. You can download it from Play Store. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.